This is the Hoco ES71 metal neck-mounted BT earphone. I want to connect it to my phone, so I turn it on. But when I try to connect it to my phone, the Hoco ES71 device is not visible on my phone. If the Hoco ES71 device is not visible on the phone, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to your phone. If the Hoco ES71 still does not appear on the phone, check if the neckband is connected to another phone. If the Hoco ES71 is connected to another device, unpair it from there. Now try connecting it to the phone. Now Hoco ES71 can be seen on the phone. Connect it now. Hoco ES71 is now connected to the phone.